So with all that, what's it worth? Well, Bitcoin is worth right now about $15,000. And depending when you listen to this, it could be less or it could be much, much more. In fact, I expect Bitcoin and many other cryptocurrencies to go up many, many times in value. Now, I believe at some point there'll be some stabilization to the value, but I'm very certain it won't be at $15,000. It'll probably be more like 150,000 or 500,000. It'll be somewhere closer to those numbers. Now, why am I so sure of this? Well, first of all, this is not investment advice. It's simply predicting where I think the value will go, because as more and more people become aware and want to get involved and perhaps want to invest, then the value of anything, once more people want it, tends to go up. Now, what's interesting about cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin is they have limited quantity. This is digital scarcity. So there's only a limited amount that will ever be created. Now, in the case of Bitcoin, there's only 21 million coins that will ever be created. Well, with over 8 billion people on the planet, that means everybody can only have a fraction of a Bitcoin, if they have some at all. So you can see that as more people want to get involved or want to get a little piece of it, the value will just naturally rise until there's an equilibrium, until there's a current agreement between buyers and sellers that this is what it's worth. But over time, Bitcoin continues to go up, up, and up. And so do many of the other cryptos, especially the good cryptos. So you need to create or look at cryptos that are actually doing something valuable. There are thousands of them, but maybe only hundreds of good projects, hundreds of cryptos that actually have something valuable that they offer, that they're planning to deliver. So those are the ones that I would say have huge opportunity.